Hello guys, today I'll show you how to fix Roblox is not launching on your Windows 10 or 11. Firstly, check your browser. Ensure your browser allows pop-ups for Roblox, and if you are using ad blockers, just disable them temporarily and try again. And clear the caching cookies of the browser or try a different one. 2. Reset Internet Options. Press the Windows plus S, type Internet Options, then open it. Go to the Advanced tab and click Reset. Under Security, click Trusted Sites and add Roblox.com. When you're done, just click Add again, then close, then restart your browser. 3. Delete temporary files. Just press the Windows plus R keys, then type %temp% and hit enter. Select all files like Ctrl plus A and press delete. Now open Google Chrome and click the three dots, more tools, and then clear browsing data. Then select all time, check all boxes, then click clear data. And the final solution is to open or run Roblox as an administrator. Right click on the Roblox shortcut. Select Properties, then Compatibility. Check Run this program as an administrator, then Apply, then hit OK. Restart Roblox and it should work. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.